At first, they're all excited to play with different kinds of balls, bounce different kinds of balls. And so I kind of let them explore on their own to kind of see what they were able to do or understand the concept of how high, how low, how hard, how soft they could bounce the ball. So then when I was able to bring all the children back together as a group, then I was able to select those 3 balls that I noticed that they were using more while playing freely and really ask them more questions about why they thought those balls bounce high, why they thought it bounced low, or notice the characteristics of the balls. Were they the same? Were they different? Did they feel the same? Did they weigh the same? And just really focus on 3 instead of the whole selection of balls that we had. Out of these 3, 1, 2, 3, which one bounced the highest? Elian says this one.
This one.
Charlie says the basketball.
This one. This one.
SB and Audrey say the brown basketball. How about we test it out? So I added tape to the wall so that the children had a visual marker of where they predicted that the ball was going to bounce to. They were able to see, okay, I think it's going to bounce this high. Or, they would point with their finger to the higher tape and say, oh, I think it's going to bounce to the top one. How high do you think this one's going to bounce?
Right there.
Which one?
That small one.
That small one? You think it's going to bounce up here? Okay, go. Oh, it bounced to this one. Charlie thought it was gonna go up here. It went here. How high do you think the blue one's gonna bounce?
It's gonna bounce lower.
You think it's gonna bounce here? All right, go. Whoa, did it go to the blue?
Yeah.
Did it go to the tape?
Yeah.
That one did bounce to the top tape. Why do you think that happened? Because it has air inside? Okay. But this one has air too.
Yeah, and this one's so
Do they weigh the same? So the children had different ideas of why they thought that the balls were bouncing high or low. A couple of the children started realizing, oh, there's air inside of the balls. And they had that concept, okay, there's air inside of the balls, but how does it bounce? So now let's test the brown one. Ariel, how high do you think the brown one's gonna bounce? This tape?
Yeah.
Okay, try it. Oh, okay. It reached like right about here. Did it reach the tape that you thought?
No.
No, why do you think?
Why
do you think?
Texture.
Because it has texture? You think the texture made it slow down? I don't know. What do you think?
Because there's air inside.
There's air inside of this one too. So there's air inside of this one, inside of this basketball, and inside of the bouncy ball. All 3 of them have air. But why do you think some of them bounce higher?